Hi, welcome back to C Programming. I'm your Dr. Vasu. I'm uploading all these programs in the Google Drive and you can find the link in the description. If you want to learn more about C Programming and many other interesting topics, please do subscribe the channel. And if you like this lecture, please hit the like button. Now let's see what this address operator is. Address operator is represented by ampersand. And here, suppose, let us see, take a very simple program. We know that, right? We have taken an integer, a variable a, and it is assigned with a value 5. And I want to display the value 5. Okay, we know that very simple program. And you know the output, the value of a is equal to 5. The value is represented. This is well and good. Now let us see what this ampersand and this address operator is. Suppose we have taken the same variable a and we entered a value for it, and we use ampersand here to read the value of a. In the printf statement, we don't provide, we just provide the value of a only. But in the scanf, we provide this ampersand a. The meaning of it is located to a particular address cell, a particular location. This the value of a is directed and is kept in that memory location. So here we are asked to find enter the value of a, and value of a is displaying, and also we want to display the address of this a. Okay. Now, this is called unary operator. The operator which is being operated on a only one operand, right? It doesn't need any other thing. So it's being operated on a single operand. It is called unary operator. Now, I want to display the value of a as well as the address of a. Let us see how it is. Now, if you compile and execute this program, the value of a, we enter the value for a here, and that is located or given to a, and the value entered for a is this, and the address of a is a big number, and this is the location of this particular memory location. Okay, now suppose this is a memory location and the value is kept here inside and its name is called a. And coming to the address, as we have an address to our houses, these memory locations also have addresses, and they are like this. So this is the address of this particular memory cell. Now, suppose I use another two variables here. A is one variable and B is assigned with already 10. Okay. Now, let's enter a value for A that is read by the system and is assigned to A. Value of A here we want to display, and the value of B, address of A and address of B here, right? We want to display the value of A and B as well as the address of A and B, where they are located and how they are. Let us see. Suppose if you see that the output, it asks for the value. We entered 5, and the value of A is this, B is 10 already assigned, and address of A is this one, and address of B is here. If you see the memory locations, in one particular address location, the value of A is kept here, and in another location, the value of B is kept here, adjacent location, right? And its name is B. How do we say that it's adjacent location? If you see the address of this one, it is 1916 some value, 212 here in the beginning end. And if you observe the address of B, 216, 4 bytes difference, right? Each integer value, one integer value occupies 4 bytes. So in one particular location called 212, this address, this value of A is kept. And adjacent to this one, this B value is also kept here in 216. So like this, the values of this variables are kept. So for this purpose, to know the address of anything, we will be using this ampersand operator, and that is called address operator. Okay. So hope you had understood this topic well. And if you had any queries or suggestions, please do comment and do subscribe the channel. In the next video, we are going to see the structures. Thank you.